few months ago, I was at a talk about wine, and CRISPR came up. I brought it up with a question from the audience, but it came up, and it was an appropriate thing to bring up. What is it like to be in this field right now where everyone is talking about the work that you do and its implications?
Well, I have to say it's very exciting, and it's, as a scientist, wonderful to see all the creative work that's going on with gene editing. It's just a fascinating opportunity to see the innovation that people come up with when they have a tool that's so broadly useful across biology.
And you do a million interviews and you make a lot of public talks. What do people not talk to you about that you would love to talk about regarding CRISPR or other research that you're doing?
Well, I think a lot of the discussion around CRISPR right now focuses on biomedical applications, which clearly are very exciting. I think something that I don't hear as much, although I'm happy to hear that you had this conversation at a wine event, are the opportunities in agriculture. I think they're going to be huge, and I'm really, really excited about the opportunities to use gene editing to create plants that will be drought tolerant, pest resistant, maybe more nutritious, give farmers opportunities to grow plants in environments where in the past they've been really challenging to grow.
Yeah, it's just the range of applications is just seemingly endless.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think in the wine talk we were discussing the threats to viniculture from global warming.
Right.
And one of the possible applications there is to get the more heat-tolerant organisms to chip in and help the wine grapes.
Yeah.
I know you talk about the ethical considerations a lot. Are you tired of that, or is there anything you'd like to discuss about that?
No, I think the ethical considerations are incredibly important. People get very excited and concerned, appropriately, I think, on occasion about opportunities to use gene editing in systems where we really need to be thoughtful about the responsible use, where there are great opportunities but also big challenges. And of course a very obvious one is in the human germline embryo editing, but also frankly also in microbes and other organisms that could be released into the environment using gene editing to spread genetic traits in a mode called gene drives. So that's another area where there's a lot of discussion about how careful we need to be, how do we regulate this technology appropriately, how do we encourage science to advance but do it in a way that's responsible.
Very good. Thank you very much for your time. We really appreciate it.
You're most welcome. Thank you.